So good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. And I'm actually saying good morning, but I don't know if it's such a good morning. Somehow everything seems to work against me. So did you ever have this feeling that I'm having this morning, you know, the feeling that finally, for the first time in months, some good weather is predicted, some nice light, and then all your plans just go to waste. There's no light and you're in a totally uninspiring area. You know, I don't know what it is. I always try to keep a bit of an open mind when I'm out on photography, and I think that's delivered me many good results in the past. Just don't expect anything, but somehow I just feel disappointed. I think that's the right word for a morning like this. I wasn't expecting anything, but if everything you've thought of to do isn't working, I think disappointment is the only right word. So let me know in the comments if you ever had a disappointing morning, and until now that's what it is. But I'm walking to a different area here, a little bit further away, where I know there are a lot of grasses in these small ponds. I'm actually hoping for them to be frozen, maybe with a little bit of snow on the ice, so that I can manage to make a little bit of a minimalistic shot or something. So I'm not sure what to look for. So yeah, let's hope for the best. So I guess I could have expected this. About a month ago I was here, and this section in front of me here was full of these balls of grass. You could just walk through them a little bit. But after all this rain, just look at this. All those grasses have disappeared. They were all submerged underneath the water. So the thing that I had in mind isn't here. So just a couple ones on the side here, but nothing to isolate, and there's also no ice between them. I was expecting, if there were a lot of these grasses, then there isn't that much wind, so it could have been frozen all over. But of course the water levels are much higher, so the wind has a clear passage here. And also here, this section over here, there isn't supposed to be water there, you know, it's supposed to be empty. So once again, I'm not giving up, but it's getting quite hard. I'm actually looking at this piece of ice here on the ground. Let me try to show you. As you can see, there are a lot of patterns in this ice. I'm just trying to look if there's maybe something abstract with these beautiful shapes. Some abstract shapes in the ice possible, but once again, the subject matter is really thin today. So I'm gonna try to look around it, see if we can find something. But I'm definitely not sure about this. Maybe a different little pool of water, you know. There are a lot of these things around, so I might have a look for them. This one isn't particularly interesting, but I guess there are more of them that are. So yeah, let's head on. But this is a subject that might be possible today. So there is a decent amount of snow coming down at the moment. Hopefully it's gonna last for some time. So it looks like some of it is staying on the ground, so that would be nice. But I was just looking at this tree, and I shot this tree about a month ago, and I told you it's this tree. I just told you that I needed some really specific weather conditions to shoot this tree, and I had my eyes on this tree for maybe 3-4 years. Never got the right conditions until last month. And I just told you then that this background was extremely busy, and it was a real cold day, so all this heather was frozen with frost on it. So it was the perfect conditions to take this shot back then. And just to show you what a little bit of weather difference does, I'm gonna take a quick shot with this Osmo here to show you the situation now and then the situation about a month ago. So sometimes a location changes completely due to a specific kind of weather that you need on days like this. So yeah, and that's always what I have with this particular area. I just need that special weather, you know, this fog and mist and at least some light. But on a overcast day like this, whew, difficult, pretty difficult. For about 5 minutes after this clip, the snow really started to come down, and I quickly started searching for a composition, and I finally ended up with this abstract shot. Let me know what you think about this shot in the comments. So I was really struggling this morning, and then eventually things got even worse, but I only found out at home that I just forgot to turn on the microphone on this next clip. So this is the same pond of water that I walked by earlier, and I just put my hand over it to clear it from the snow, and then some really nice patterns appeared in the ice. So I was trying to get the camera just straight above it and shoot down towards this ice section. And what I really like about this is that there's one crack in the ice, and it goes through some little pieces of dirt that are coming through the ice. So it looks like those are islands shot with a drone connected by this crack in the ice. So I don't know, maybe it's just me seeing something that isn't there, but I actually quite like this abstract shot. So once again, let me know in the comments what you think about this. And once again, I totally forgot to turn on the microphone. Sorry about that. I don't know what it was this morning, but everything seemed to go not according to plan. But what I was trying to show you was this tree that I shot about a month earlier. The situation now and the situation back then. And you can see that weather totally transforms an area around. So it's definitely worth to visit the same area over and over again in different seasons, different weather conditions. There's always something new to shoot that you haven't seen before. So I think it's about 45 minutes later since the last clip that you've seen from this trip, and I've shot a whole bunch of abstract shots, but I thought they were all too little of a subject to show on this channel. But if there's something between those shots that I'm thinking at home, oh, that was actually pretty nice, then I'll show it to you right now, or else I'll just delete this clip and you will never know this happened. So here are the shots that I took along the path here, and hopefully there's something something of interest between them. And yeah, just let me know in the comments what you think of these images. So that's it for today's video. I've been walking around here for 3 hours and I don't think there are any more shots. There's a little bit of light coming through at the moment, but enormous dark clouds are coming towards me, so that light will be gone in a few minutes. I tried to find a little subject to make use of this snowfall, to freeze those snowflakes and create some atmospheric conditions with the snow, but just couldn't find anything. Those trees just aren't here in this area that I'm looking for. There were plenty in the areas that I wanted to go to intentionally, but like I said, I had to adjust. I had to reinvent myself again, like I have to do on every trip, you know. That's it with photography. You just have to keep reinventing yourself, and that's the fun of it, you know. Every trip is different, every day is different, and every image is different, and every photographer is different, of course. Someone else could have shot completely different shots today, but yeah, this is what I salvage from a day like today. So I'm still very happy I went out. You know, it's been weeks since the last time that I was able to go out. School holiday is over, so the kids are in school, got some more time to go out, and yeah, finally the rain has stopped and this coming week looks very promising. So I might go out a little bit more this week, but yeah, let's hope this snow keeps coming down and we will have some proper winter conditions here in the Netherlands in the next video. So thanks for watching. I hope you still enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope to see you on the next one. So don't forget, please push that thumbs up button if you like this video, and there's a subscribe button underneath this video. If you push that and select all on the notification bell, you will get a free message from YouTube when I release my next video. So hope to see you on that one. Bye for now.